Yo, y'all are crazy. It's only been basically one day. We already got 2 subscribers. Thank y'all, guys. But out of all seriousness, thank y'all. Y'all 2 subscribers right now. If I ever become a big YouTuber, which I might not, I don't decide that. Y'all are my OGs. And I love y'all. Pause. But, y'all be my OGs. So, I just want to say thank you for the support right now. And tell me who you want me to draw next. It could be any character, really. I don't really mind. Alright. Have a God bless day.